Leo over there. Where's the bull yet? Of course, Leo! They're all going up there. Leo, what are you doing, dude? Hi, Leo. Where's your mama at? All the cats are over here. Leo! What are you doing, buddy? Just like, I think I know you. Hey, buddy, you are getting so big. He won't let me get that close. Hi, baby. What? Oh, you look nice, baby. He doesn't know what that means yet. He's pretty, though. Look at that. Little handsome baby. See if I can find this bull somewhere. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. All the calves over here. They're all right there. They said that the bull can come up into your hands. Does she have a tag? I can't tell if that calf has a tag or not. Oh yeah, she does. Let's see where she's going. Oh. Wonder if she lost her baby. Don't know. Leo, what are you doing? It's like looking at you. Okay, let's see. Did she lose her baby? What's she looking at? Where is that bull? Oh, I see him. He's right here. He's over here. He's over here. Look at all the other babies looking around. Oh, there's my Jersey cow. Oh, there's her daughter. There he is. He's looking at me. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. They're all running. Hi, Mama. Do you want some green? Come here. I'll sit on the ground for you. There you go. There may not be much left. They're all coming down here. Right, can I have some more? Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm saving this for the bull. She's like, I'm just gonna follow you. What, do you want some more? Here. I'll put some on the ground. Okay, or not. Never mind. Do you want some? Here. There you go. There's some right there. Look. There you go. There they are. Hi, babies. Hi, do you want some? There's green in there. There's the bull. You are beautiful, baby. Oh, hi. Hey, you're not scared, are you? Look at you, handsome. Yeah. There's all the calves. Hi, babies. Do you want some? Look. I'll put the bucket right there for you. Hi, Mama. Oh. Hi, babies. We'll fight over the bucket, my God. There you go. I dumped it out. I don't have any more, guys. I don't have any more. You can fight over it. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. I don't have any more. No, there's none left. You got a big head. Hi, babies. Hello. There's none left, guys. There's literally none left. There's none left, guys. I'm sorry. Hey, be nice. Yes, be nice. There's nothing left. See? Do you guys want the bucket? Here, see? Come not that scary. There's my pretty baby. You guys are pretty. Look at all those goobers. Oh, you're pretty. See that number 2? She's pretty. There's all my babies. There's someone coming. And then we got all the mamas over here just looking at me. It's like there's some left in there. Hi, babies. Aw. You guys are so cute. Aw, what? Here comes the other bull. He's coming. What? Here comes the bull shoving his way through. Alright, can I have my bucket? Thank you. Are you gonna follow me? Yeah, you're all gonna start following me. Hi. Hi, Mama. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, hi, Leo. Hi, baby. Do you want some? Oh, you are not scared at all. There's nothing left, girls. No. That's my hand. Yeah, that's my hand. All right. There's Leo. Yeah. Oh, my pretty babies. All following me. Look at all you. Do you want some? See who's brave enough to come up to me. The bucket. You want to come up here, Mama? See, you're not scared. See? Good girl. I know you're not scared. Yeah. Do you want some? Yeah. Here comes the bull. Maybe. Hi. Oh. I'll sit down the ground. See? You guys are all looking at me. Oh, look at 7. Oh, is she pretty? Hi, bully. Do you want some? He says, I don't know. I'm more interested in the women. If I start walking, they're all just going to follow me. Oh, look at that baby. She's tiny. You're not scared at all. Yeah. Do you want some? You're pretty. I like your face. Got pretty markings. You want some? Oh, the babies are playing. Oh. Start walking. Hey, Mama. See, they're all gonna start following me. I don't have anything, guys. What? Do you want something? You all are following me. 6 feet. Oh, there's my little Jersey girl. Keep walking. Excuse me. I like how I stopped walking. They all just kind of like go around. Oh, yes. All right, let's go. Oh, what are you doing? You're silly. Oh, you're pretty. What do you want? You want something? No? Oh, hi, baby. Oh, you're cute. Do you want something? Come here. No? Okay. What do you want? I don't have any. All right, let's keep going. Oh, you got tiny horns. Hi, baby. This one's following like right behind. There's Leo. Oh, hi, little baby. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, can you move? Thank you. Yeah? Okay. Do you you want something? You're like right behind me. Your eye needs to be looked at. There's nothing in there. There you go. I need this bucket when you're done. You're looking at me like something. Did I do something? Oh, here you go. See? Okay. I'm gonna keep walking. I don't have anything. There's none left. Hi, baby. I'm not putting you guys in the other pasture. I hope you know that. Oh. Oh, we got them fighting. Oh, they're fighting. Get all my babies. I'm not letting you guys in here. I'm not letting you in here, guys. I can't. All right, here's the bucket. Anybody want to come up here? It's up for grabs. No, you gonna come up to me? Oh, she's a brave baby. You're fine. You're a brave baby. Oh my. Roll back up. See? It's okay. Yeah. Oh, you're pretty. I told you there's nothing left. Oh, look at 12. Pretty little speckles on her nose. There's the bull. Hi, babies. What? See, I'm gonna get up something. We're gonna walk away a little bit. Hi. Can I pet you? No? Okay. We got cows trying to be cows. Oh, you're okay. Yeah, you're pretty. There's the bull. See him? What? Oh, why, hello. Hi, baby. Y'all are looking at me. Yeah. Hi. But you're just staring at me. You're just staring at me, huh? Yeah. Can I pet you? Probably gonna move away. Can I pet you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Hi, babies. There goes the other bull. Hi. What are you looking at? We got the cow. Oh. Oh. Alright, can I go now? I don't have anything left. Do you want something? You want something, Big Mama? Okay. Oh, they're fighting. Oh, they're fighting. Getting warmed up. Yeah, they're getting warmed up. They're fighting. Dominance. Hi, babies. All right, I'm gonna go now. Just drop that. There we go. Goodbye. Oh, okay. So, I'm not opening this gate. I'm not opening the gate. Can I walk this way? Hi. Oh, you'll put your head down. How about you? Can I pet you? No? Okay. Oh, looking at me. I have to go over this fence. You're not getting in here. Ugh. Hi. What do you guys want? Ugh. Hi. At 13. What are you sniffing there for? Do I smell bad? There's my jersey. Oh, look there. Alright, I'm gonna have to return this bucket, guys. I know. I can't let you guys in here. Sorry. This bucket, I had barely filled and they're all just fighting over it. I'm sorry. I can't let you in here. Silly goobers.